guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Sunday. Anong araw? Of course it's Sunday, but the date, okay, July 17, 2022. Pauwi kami ng bahay. Galing kami Copenhagen. Nag-overnight kami sa hostel doon. It's called Steel House. The Steel House. Ano guys, sobrang, kung gusto mong mag-mini vacation, ganyan, at wala ka masyadong kapirahan, pwede doon. Parang mag-bed space, bed lang yung parang i-rent mo for a day. It's like 280 kroner, pero kami 6 kami, so sa isang room, tapos parang private ang room, tapos with 6 beds. So doon kami natulog, and as you all know, nag-watch kami ng concert yesterday, Gojira. I don't know if you know yung band na yun, pero heavy metal.
There will be a link in the description so you can find Gojira.
Yeah, but anyway, hindi ko kilala talaga yun. First time ko silang narinig kahapon. Pero ganun naman talaga, sa limpusa tayo. Kasi libre niya. So, yeah, yun yung ginawa namin. Sobrang naging actually enjoyable siya kasi after the concert, nagpunta kami bar, nag-inom-inom kami doon, and then umuwi kami sa hostel mga 2 in the morning na. Tapos yun, unexpectedly yung bed doon is sobrang comfortable. Nakatulog ako talaga ng maayos, pero yun yung nangyari. Ngayon pauwi na, and ang dami na naman gagawin. Dami gagawin sa bahay. Tapos work ako bukas. But anyway, enjoyed my weekend. Actually, Saturday hapon, nag-work ako from 7 in the morning until 1. Supposedly off ko yung 4 in the afternoon, pero parang napag-usapan ko na mag-off ako ng 1 and somebody's gonna take the rest of the shift. And then Martin, pinick up niya ako dun sa workplace ko, and then we went directly to the hostel. Maganda dun guys, grabe, parang I can see myself na parang if I'm off, for example, for a weekend, and I want a different scenery, or gusto kong ma-experience yung Copenhagen or mag-party whatever, pwede, kasi hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. Na sa 280 kroner yung stay doon for one night, tapos bed lang, tapos share ka with others. And then there's an option to, sa room, there's an option to be just with the women or mix, ganyan. Tapos may swimming pool pa, may cafe, may gym, ganyan. Yeah, ganyan. So pwede din na parang pag ano ka na, parang pagod ka na sa inyo, tapos may free ka na day, pwede pumunta doon at mag-enjoy. Yun. So yun guys, pauwi na kami. Yeah, pauwi. Yun lang. Thank you so much for watching.
Jeg har faktisk troet, du foreslog nogle offentlige transportmidler.
Ja, tak. Så du alle kan sætte sig.
Se, hvad det er for en crowd, vi skal med. Det er stadig en ny verden for mig. Den der høflighed og generelt bare sådan ærlighed.
Høflighed.
Noget du også skal...
Ja, men det
er meget høflighed.
No gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart. Well, why fight it? I was secretly delighted. I gave chase and then I let you win. You felt lovely when you loved me like a fool, but now I can't let go of your skin. You know that I never knew that you are crazy glue, my darling, and I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. You're honey like a finger in the beehive. The bees are buzzing in a tizzy fit, and they're stinging, but I'm singing like a fool, 'cause you're as sweet as a banana split. You're
Hindi